What does this get us using the magnetic and electric fields at the same time? If you measure the magnitude of both fields, you can now compute the velocity of the particles. We start here with Newton, way back several hundred years ago. Sum of the forces equals ma. We then come up to the work that was done over the succeeding centuries, and we compare the magnetic force, which we showed is in the downward direction, and the electric force in the up direction. So when we balance the two fields so that the particles would go straight through, you have QVB, which is the equation for the magnetic force on a charged particle, where Q is the charge, V is the direction of its velocity, and we have QE for the electric force. So you have QVB minus Q equals 0. You put QE on the other side. You divide out the charge. It's interesting to note here that the charge does not figure in the answer. And finally, we get the velocity of the particles coming out over here after the magnetic and electric fields have been applied. The velocity would be the strength of the electric field over the strength of the magnetic field.